Welcome back, everyone. Chris Drizga here with your market update for the Orange County office sector. Today, we're going to be reviewing the final numbers for 2023 and taking a look at what's ahead in 2024. At the end of 2023, we recorded a countywide vacancy rate of 17.27% and an availability rate of 29.11%. The availability rate takes into account vacant space and space that's available for sublease. The average rental rate is $2.76 a square foot, and the average sale price is $220 per square foot. Landlords are doing everything they can to hold the line on rents, and average sale pricing was dragged down significantly in large part because of some large institutional sales in and around the $150 per square foot range. The two big themes in the market right now are flight to quality and obsolescence. I've covered both these in detail in recent videos. You can go check those out if you would like. Looking ahead, the office market's going to be burdened with the current problems throughout the rest of 2024. Leasing activity is going to remain lackluster, and I expect vacancy to tick just a bit higher throughout the year. This is going to keep a ceiling on asking rents. And as loans continue to mature into a significantly higher rate environment, we're going to see more properties head into foreclosure or at least sold at steep discounts. As for notable leases, Best Choice Products took 53,000 square feet in Newport. Proteor USA leased 22,000 square feet in Irvine. As for notable sales, Cypress Office Properties sold 3 Hutton Center in Santa Ana for $28.9 million or $145 a square foot. Hines sold 1065 North Link in Anaheim for $29.2 million. That's equal to $306 a square foot. And HK Ventures sold 7441 Lincoln Way in Garden Grove for $9.6 million. That's equal to $225 per square foot. You can visit my website, chrisdrizga.com, for the complete reports. I appreciate you stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you here next time.